I've been so into Clawdbot lately. It's so easy to set up on the cloud or on your local machine. It has full system access. It works with the whole skills and plugins library, completely open source and free, and you can interface with it through any channel, WhatsApp, Discord, Telegram, etc. People are building so many cool things. This is going to be my favorite use case though. With the Meta Ray-Bans, which have native WhatsApp support, you can talk to Clawdbot. And Buddy Harry, when he's at the store, when he sees something overpriced with his glasses, he can take a picture, send it to Clawdbot and say, what's the price on Amazon for this? And if it's cheaper, add it to my cart. Anyway, it's so easy to set up, just one line quick start. So I'm going to show you in the rest of this video how to set it up. I'm going to be doing it on AWS because they have a very generous free tier to set up a VM. You could also run it on your local machine if you're ballsy enough. Anyway, in AWS, you either want to click or search for EC2, that's Amazon's virtual servers in the cloud, and then click the launch instance button here in orange. I'm going to call mine Jinx on Ubuntu. Now, instance type, we're going to search for free, and we're going to go for the biggest free one, this one, 8 gig memory. Now, I think this is completely free to host as long as you're not deploying any other resources on AWS. And that's it, launch instance. And we have our instance right here. Click on the instance ID and then click on connect up the top right and then connect down the bottom right. This will launch an SSH connection in the web to your new server. Boom, we're in. And once we're in, we just want to copy that one-liner from Clawd.bot. That's the website for Clawdbot, Clawd.bot. Paste that in and press enter. And that's it. That's the only command you need to run. We got it set it up in less than 2 minutes. All right, once it's finished, you get straight into onboarding. You got to accept that this is risky, especially if you're running it on your own file system or you're giving it access to keys or your email. We're going to go quick start, and I'm going to use my Anthropic Max plan. And I use the token paste setup method. It will ask me to copy this command, which I'll run in my own local terminal to get the token. Then we'll select a model, Opus 4.5 latest. This is the smartest, latest model. And now we can link our channels. For Telegram, it'll give you the steps here. We'll skip all these, memory, enable all these hooks, and we can hatch. So when you hatch, you actually are going to give your bot the identity. This is where you tell it its name, its purpose, and that's pretty much it. I think it's ready to go. Now for each channel, I think you do have to do it kind of like a pairing. Okay, there we go. And then we have a pairing code that I can give to the instance. And once that's configured, we should be paired. That's it. There we go. Awesome. So I like to give it this EXA MCP skill initially. So I'm going to say create a skill by wrapping this MCP. But yeah, really curious to see what kind of things you guys would be interested to run and what your thoughts are. So definitely drop those in the comments and make sure to give it a like if you want to see more content like this. But yeah, that's all for now. This is just a quick start. I tried to speed run through it with